This barrier isn't going to hold the fox for long. Pausing to catch his breath, it's clear the owl isn't safe above ground. Too big to fit down the owl's burrow, the fox tracks him from above. With extremely keen hearing, the fox can pick up low-frequency sounds from below the surface. And here's an opportunity. The fox is an expert in cunning and stealth. He hides from view and patiently waits for the owl to emerge. It's become an ultimate test of patience between predator and prey. It's essential the owl times his move perfectly. In the chaos of an unprovoked attack, the fox has taken its eye off the ball, and the owl seizes its opportunity. But the fox is confused. Its prey never stands its ground. The owl used its know-how to outwit the fox, and it leaves with its tail between its legs.